Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all my review on Nivea Micellar cleansing water. Before starting with the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, you all have pressed the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. This comes in a bottle like this. We get 200 ml of the product in the bottle like so. There are two variants. One has a fragrance of rose and other one does not have any added fragrance. I don't like added fragrance in my skincare routine. That's why I picked this one up. The liquid is transparent as you can see and have no fragrance whatsoever. This retails for rupees 250 for 200 ml. First ingredient mentioned over here is aqua, which means that it is going to be super hydrating to your skin. It also contains good ingredients such as glycerin, which is good for moisturization. It also contains hydrogenated castor oil, which helps to remove the dirt from your face. It claims to do a lot. So the first claim it has is removes makeup effectively. Yes, it does. Gently and deeply cleanses. That is also true. It cleanses really gently. It refreshes and hydrates. Yes, it does refresh your skin and it does hydrate your skin as well. And it also says that it's gentle for eyelashes. If you're wearing a waterproof mascara, then it is going to be a hassle to remove that mascara with this cleansing water. First pro of this product is that it is very gentle on the skin. Second, it does not irritate the skin. And third, it does not have any added perfume. The only con I find for this product is that it does not remove waterproof mascara. So if you're wearing a waterproof mascara, you'll have to use another cleanser to clean it. All in all, I really like this product and I would definitely recommend you all to buy it. That's it for the video. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.